Welcome back again with Chef Ricardo cooking. We're in the kitchen, but we are not talking about any cooking today. The reason why, the cooking book. I'm getting so much email, so many people been ringing me up asking me about the cooking book, and I said, guys, the book is available. It's on Amazon, it's online, and the link them below of the video you will see some link. All you need to do is just click on this link, and if you go to my website at chefricardo.co.uk, you can click on the book and it can take you straight where you can get this book to buy. And the book is just a reasonable price, guys. I know a lot of people brought the book already. I want to say thank you very much for your support, and thank you guys who don't not brought the book yet but still talking about the book. So guys, as I said before, get your copy. It is very important, and if you want me to sign the book, remember, send it to Chef Ricardo and I will definitely sign it for you. So guys, hopefully we'll have a wonderful time. Enjoy the book, and remember, the book is available and you can get it on Amazon and other bookstore online. So thank you very much for your support and who are buying the book. Thank you. Bye bye.